Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can delete iPhone contacts. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the Contacts app on your mobile device and all of your available contacts will be displayed. Here, tap on the Groups embed at top left corner of your screen and a bunch of options will be displayed. Here, if you disable any feature, you will be able to get the number of contacts saved on the other account. Once you have chosen the account, go to your device's settings app, search for Contacts, and then access the Accounts tab. Inside it, select the platform you have chosen, and then disable the Contacts feature. Now, a pop-up will appear asking if you want to delete all of the contacts. Simply tap on Delete from my iPhone, and all of the contacts will be deleted at once. You can do the same thing for any platform, and that's it. So that's basically how you can delete iPhone contacts. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.